Going back home is always a sad day. Not so bad when you got the lowrider M8. Won't have to ride that at least. 2 awesome days in Revelstoke. 1 okay day in Golden. If you haven't seen the video yet, here it is right now, and why we couldn't get to Revelstoke and why we were stuck in Revelstoke. So here's that video if you haven't seen it. What we're gonna go do now, drive back that way and see how big that avalanche path really was.
Is this the Twin Peaks? Yeah, this is the Twin Shed. This one came down.
This one definitely came down. You should be able to see sunlight out there.
There you go.
There it is.
This one, here we go.
Oh yeah, it was this one for sure.
Holy balls.
Oh my god.
A lot of snow. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, that was it for sure.
Holy.
She didn't crush the shed, huh? Holy smokes. Yeah, that was it.
Look at all the trees. The trees are just bent over from all the wind hammered down through here.
Wow. That's a lot of snow come down at once. All these trees here, they're all sideways. All these trees are tipped over. There are more sideways trees up here. Avalanche country.
Highway maintenance.
Highway maintenance. That could still mean avalanche control.
So I was playing the Facebook hard. And I was doing about 110.
Cool. He's getting the guy in the Suburban who was yelling at his kids. Oh boy.
Oh, now he's gonna. Dad's really gonna be pissed off now.
He's not gonna be happy now.
Boy.
Holy. Look what happened to my house. I didn't even need to go to Revelstoke. I could have just ridden around here. That's a big pile of snow over there. Oh, I gotta dig out my stupid car. I gotta go shovel snow off the roof of my house right now. Gosh, the snow's like knee deep up here. I can hear snowmobiles. Thanks everybody for watching this video. If you like this video or videos like this, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. It is going to be snowing here in Alberta. Nice to be back to -30 again instead of Revelstoke's nice warm weather. Going to be sledding next weekend. It's our long weekend in Alberta, and I got to take the BC long weekend too. So I think maybe I'll even fix the phaser up. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.